Welcome to this airport yoga practice meant for your entire body. It's a gentle practice and it's easy to do. My name is Kevin and I'm excited to lead you through it. When you're ready, we'll begin in a standing position. Make sure that your luggage is in a good spot where you can be close to it. Turn your palms forward, draw your shoulder blades down and back, and take a full breath in. Open mouth. Again, full breath in. Open your mouth. One more time, all the way in, all the way out. With your next inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Grab your left wrist and side bend to the right. Lengthen your spine, push down into both feet, and pull yourself to the right side of the room. Full breath in. Go a little bit deeper. One more deep breath, all the way out. Inhale, bring everything back to center. Switch it out, exhale to the left. Full breath in. Go a little bit deeper. Push down into both of your feet. Again, full breath in. A little bit deeper. Inhale back to center. Exhale, cactus your arms, back bend, heart up to the ceiling. Stay for a breath. Go deeper. Inhale, mountain, arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Draw your hands through center. And then just drape your torso over your legs. Grab opposite elbows and let your head and your neck hang heavy. Give yourself a moment to sway side to side here. Excellent. And then bring your feet wider than your hips. And straighten your right leg, bend your left knee. Start to lean your weight towards your right leg, and you should feel a stretch coming from your right glute or hamstring region. Stay for a breath. Switch legs. Straighten your left, bend your right, and drape your torso over the straightened leg. Inhale back to center, and exhale, release your hands down to the earth, but don't touch the gross airport floor, and roll up vertebra by vertebra. Take a few shoulder rolls down and back. Great, and now take your right arm across to the left side of the room and find threaded needle. You can find a little bit of movement here if that would feel good, up and down. And we'll hold for a couple of breaths. Good, switch arms. Listen to your breath. One more deep inhale. And exhale. Okay, and this next one goes a little bit deeper. Similar to what we did before, you'll bring your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Interlace your hands behind your lower back. And squeeze your wrists, forearms, and shoulders together. Inhale, turn your heart up towards the sky, gaze up. And then exhale, dive down between your legs, top of your head towards the earth as your arms reach up and over. Try to squeeze wrists, forearms, and shoulders together. And again, we'll straighten the right leg, bend your left knee, and rotate your torso towards the right. Full breath in. Full breath out. One more deep breath in and out. Inhale back to center and then switch it out. Straighten your left leg, bend your right knee, gaze past your left shoulder towards the ceiling, and we're here for 2 breaths. One more. Bring it back to center and release your hands down to the earth. We'll ragdoll once again up into a standing position. Take a few moments to just observe what's going on in your body. And hopefully this loosened you up just a bit more. I hope you have a lovely flight if you're headed somewhere, or maybe you're waiting, and hopefully this helps pass the time. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Cheers, y'all.